it's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb.
My name is Suarez, this is my 1970 C10. It's completely restored from the frame up, Porterbuilt frame, AccuAir suspension. Specialty forged wheels, 22x9s in the front, 24x15 in the rear. Custom audio, custom interior, original color, original body, repainted, restored. It's got an LS1 under the hood, heads, cam, full exhaust. We're moving on to the back. Like I said, AccuAir suspension, twin compressors with a single 5-gallon tank, fully built 12-inch rear, custom fuel cell, Willwood brakes on all four corners.
Beautiful ride, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it. It's a very rare to see it in this color. I've only seen one other one, so that's one of the reasons I bought the truck.
How long have you had it for?
I've had it for 3 years. I bought it actually looking similar to this. It was on coilovers, not airbags, and I still took it apart, stripped it down to the frame, and like I said, I did the Porterbuilt frame, redid the suspension on it, and basically, you know, did everything to it after that.
What's up, guys? My name is Ricky Guava. This is my 1930 Ford Model A Rat Rod.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
The engine is a Honda S2000. Here we have these tires. We're running 325s up front. Extremely wide tires up front, even bigger in the back. These are actually 31-inch tires. Now up here, as you can see, it's got a little bit of a different style. This is all just a wrap, you know, so we could rip this whole thing off when I'm done with it. Here's the running light. This is a brake light from a STI, a Subaru STI. And here we're gonna go into the interior now. Now the whole thing is dynamated. It has the cluster from an S2000, 6-speed with a short shifter. It's got the Willwood pedals. The car's a blast to drive. Hope you guys are enjoying the show. Peace.
Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her?
This is my 47 International KB6 series. I did this truck like 2.5 years ago. I mounted the cab on a 92 Dodge 2500 chassis. It's got a Cummins 12 valve. I did a twin turbo setup myself. I got 22-inch cores, 22 fires milled down to 22s. My interior, it's a bomber seat that I did myself, and I had a friend of mine upholster the seat. I have all my air ride manual valves, gas pump shifter.
This is for the AC?
No, that's the air ride.
Oh, that is the air ride?
Yes.
I always thought that was the AC vents.
That's the dump for the air ride. I drive it a lot. I recently went to Texas to LSD. I did a bed like different type. Seen a lot of trucks, and I did a different type of bed. This is my fuel fill. It's like it's a jug of oil jug, but I put fuel right through here, and it goes to the tank. Here's we got my tailgate parties. And underneath we have the usual stuff that the chassis would have. Got my jack stand, my toolbox. That's about it.
All right, we got a 68 Roadrunner. My father bought it brand new, and he drove it every day till about 2002. I put it on a Viper chassis. Had a V10 in it. We took it out. It's got a 6.4 Steve Morris built Hemi, made 1120 on pump. It's 6-speed G-force trans, all built up. McLeod twin disc and Mark Williams half shaft and drive shaft, all chrome ollie. It's all built to handle it. I mean, I beat on it. It's fun. We're gonna start doing some half-mile shootouts in it. It's got a 10-point molly cage, new tech wheels. It's just built to drive. It's got AC and a big stereo, and it's fun. Got MagnaFlow mufflers. Got my sponsor.
I see that the mufflers come out to the side.
Yeah, the mufflers are actually in front of the firewall. I actually just swapped it. I got a electric steering on it, fully electric assisted e-pass steering. I love that. There's probably kid stuff in there, but it's kind of went a little old school on the interior. It's got hook and loop carpet, vinyl.
Beautiful interior, man. Beautiful.
It's a driver. I mean, I drive it. I take it to the store. I take it everywhere.
Tell me about the color.
The color, you're gonna laugh, bro, is a stock Chevy color.
Really?
2010 Camaro green right there.
You're right.
Yeah, it's a bone stock Chevy color. When the car's together, it's got a full belly pan. I actually, when I had the twin turbo V10 set up, I kind of set it up for like standing mile shootouts. Well, then I had a kid and blew the V10 up, so it kind of changed directions on that one. So that's why the diffuser's back there and all that. The wheels are 20 by 15 in the rear and 18 by 10 in the front. It takes a lot to get them to sit this low and not rub or hit or, I mean, it's static. It's not air ride. They need to let us do a burnout contest here or something.
Thank you so much for showing me around.
No problem,
Thank
dude.
you, man.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, go,
like always, be sure to subscribe to the show for more content. Don't forget to drop a big like and leave a comment down below. It keeps me motivated to continue bringing you this type of content. See you guys on my next episode. Adios.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.